They came from that generation. They would not talk about Poland if you ask them directly. You know, is what was it like? How did it happen? They were, you know, just thank God you weren't there. It was a horror story. And like I said, these are not people that were there during World War II for the Holocaust. They talked about mud and poverty and everything else. I heard a bit more because my parents both worked when I was young, and I would be left with my grandfather and his cronies. I picked up a lot from them because these were old guys that didn't really give a damn about anything. You know, they'd already done whatever they were going to do. They were going to have fun now. And to their way of thinking, they did. They, you know, sat around drinking and playing cards and watching television and talking about each other and telling jokes and doing almost all of this in Yiddish, except once in a while one would nudge the other about, you know, and point at me, and then they would speak Polish. One of the things they did do was they reminisced a lot. Because, you know, they were, as far as they were concerned, at the ends of, you know, my grandfather didn't die until 1976, but, you know, they were old, and they knew it, and they also knew because they were old. There's a wonderful line in Mel Brooks's earliest movie, The Critic, which is, you know, a voiceover of an old man talking through an abstract animation. And one of the other people in the audience at the theater goes, you know, shh, be quiet. He says, I don't have to be quiet. I'm 71. I'm going to die soon. This was their basic, I mean, this was very much that attitude.